So guys, for the first method, you're going to head with search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And then once you run this, you're going to click on other troubleshooters. Now you're going to find Windows Update. Click on run. And then once this comes up, you're going to click on next. Wait for this to load. And then once troubleshooting has been completed, if it detects anything, it will try to fix it for you. See if that works. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you're going to head with search and type in CMD. Now you're going to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you run this, you're going to type in sfc /scan now, and then click on enter. Then you want to run the scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And then once that's been done, you now want to type in dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health. Click on enter again. You now want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And then once you complete both those scans, you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.